What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be showing you a video that I think is really helpful to anybody who wears lace fronts and anybody who also wears lace closures. I haven't really seen too many videos about this specific thing on YouTube, so I decided, hey, why not just go ahead and record one. So what I'm going to be doing is cleaning this nasty lace. As you can see, there's like glue just built up everywhere. You know what lace typically looks like after you take it off. So I want to just show you guys the process that I use each and every single time that I want to clean my lace. You literally only need 3 products, which is alcohol, a toothbrush, and shampoo. It doesn't matter what kind of shampoo you use, just as long as you have shampoo, because the shampoo is going to be used after the alcohol. So okay, so here is the before of the lace. I want you to just see how nasty this looks. Disgusting. But yeah, here's the before of the lace. Now what I'm gonna do is flip it inside out like so. Grab our bottle of alcohol and then just put it right on the edges just like that. You're not using too much. So with the alcohol on the lace, you're just gonna kind of scrub it off a bit. Sometimes I find it more convenient to scrub from the top instead of the bottom. I don't know why, but it's just better. Feel free to like keep adding alcohol to the lace because we need all of this stickiness to get off. Okay, so that's good enough. As you can see, like the lace is not the lace, the glue is kind of getting like a little mushy down here. So this is going to make it easier for the second step in our process. So now we're going to submerge the lace in hot water. After you do that, you do want to go in with your shampoo, rub it into your hands and rub it into that lace, just like this. And make sure it's really soapy. If you need to, feel free to add more water. But I like to add the water in my hands and then put it on the lace. So now, we're just repeating the same process. But as you can see, it's coming straight off. Like it's not even hard for it to come off. You want to keep submerging your brush in more water. Y'all see that? Coming right on off. So, before I rinse this off, I want to just show you guys how all of the glue came straight off of the lace. The reason why we used alcohol was to help like break down the particles of the glue, so that once we go in with our shampoo and the toothbrush, it won't be so hard for the glue to come off. So now all we're gonna do is rinse it. And boom, here you go. You got clean lace right there. And it only took about 5 minutes. So here's our wig with our clean lace. Look at that, squeaky clean. And she's good to go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also turn on your post notification bell to get notifications each and every single time that I post. Last but not least, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and we out.